Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add mobile phone symbol in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add mobile phone symbol. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a symbol option. Now click for the more symbol. Then we show more font size from search. Now type from Wingdings option. Now press for enter. That is, now we can see, and then we show mobile symbol. Now for click, then click for insert option. Now click for close. Then mobile symbol. Now for size sense. Now go to home menu option. Then click for a size. That is, then we show add mobile phone symbol in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.